Just call me Joplin from National Food Authority, Nueva Ecija. But I'm working with the Central Luzon Regional Office. Ito pong barley na ito. This barley I'm holding really affect me so much, especially by constipation. Number one, prior to this day, that was January 2023, my prescription includes Bio50 because of my constipation a year ago. Prior to January 2023, I even bought Dulcolax and Senocot Forte just for me to be able to remove that. But when I started using barley January 15 this year, through my very best friend, si Madam Cora David Villaflor, I don't need to use Senocot Forte. I don't need to use Dulcolax, Bio50.